friends, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kay. We're kicking off another video, guys. This video is just a tad bit different, just a little bit. But if this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through. Hope that you stay. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, bring it in. Hey, y'all. And all my new subscribers, hey, y'all, it's me again. Y'all, this video is the beginning of a series. Like, for Kaye Lanhi's channel, I like for you guys to have something. I want something for that. I want it to be something that everyone can relate to, whether it's a vlog, a haul, affordable shopping, finding new things. I want to be the 411. So for this episode that we're starting is called Several Ways to Wear It. So this will be, I don't want to tell you how often it's going to be posted. I don't know. If I can find something and I can wear it several different ways, I'm going to record it and put it out there. But this is definitely episode 1 of Several Ways to Wear It. So if that sounds like something you want to see, stay tuned. All right, y'all. In Several Ways to Wear It, let me tell you how this goes. We take one particular item and we wear it several ways. It's that cut and dry, that easy breezy lemon squeezy. So if you've been watching me for a little bit, you have probably know that I had fell in love with a denim. I fell in love with this denim jumper that I seen at DD's. I actually ended up leaving it there, and then I kept thinking about it. So recently I went back and I ended up finding it and getting it, and yes, child, it was on sale. But what I did not tell you, I also found her sister there, girl. I also found her sister there, and that's this item here, which is also a jumper, but it's a dress. Girl, I said I want a jumper. Overalls, child. Overalls. But it's a dress. I love it. It was $7.99. I just recently got this from the day that this video posts, probably about 2 weeks. It does have pockets. If you pull this down, you can also, it hangs at a good length, like right above the knee. And I absolutely love it. So what I did is that, you know, we got fall coming up, honey. And if you live in Texas, we don't have like a real fall. We have like an artificial fall, kind of summery fall, still kind of be warm. So what I did was I did like a casual look. I did like a dressy look. Well, all three is kind of casual, but I would wear them different ways. The overalls come from DD's for $7.99, but I paired it with this blue halter top that we got from Ross for $4.99. Our infamous Pumas, I forgot how much those were, but they came from Burlington's. And our bag, our little Margaret bag, honey, we got that. We got that from Ross as well, and that was $16.99. So I did this little casual look. This casual look is ready for anything, baby. You can go outside. You can go meet the girls for brunch. You can work errands. You can go work at a coffee shop, because you can fill that purse up with your whole desk area, honey. Tape, stapler, everything. Everything you need can fit in that bag. So I really like this look. Y'all tell me what you think about the look. Look number 1. Tell me what you think down in the comments. And let's get into this next one. All right, y'all. So this next look, Several Ways to Wear It, look number 2. I was trying to be a little fast. It's definitely for getting when it's a little cooler outside. It depends on the climate. I mean, it depends on what you can handle. For me, I need to be a little cooler because I wore it with some boots. When I tell you this whole complete outfit, let me think about the purse. Yep, the complete outfit came from DD's several times, but DD's nonetheless. So this is our next look. It's a cute little mock turtleneck. It's cropped where it has a string that you can't see really up under it. And if you pull it tight, it can crop up even more. The boots, I think the boots are like $14.99 or $12.99, one or the other. They were from DD's as well. I had them on for I think a little over 2 years. The bag, that's my messenger bag that I got from DD's. Absolutely love it. That was $7.99. Good crossover number. Can throw your things in there and keep going. Yes, y'all. This is my trying to be fast, trying to be grown. Fun fact though about them boots. I don't know if because I lost a little weight or something, but I think I lost weight in my feet because them boots kind of big. I'm gonna have to put socks on them. Well, I thought I was gonna trip at one point. Ooh, I hope y'all didn't see it, but I remember. I thought I was about to trip at one point. I'm like, yeah, we're gonna have to put some footies on. They still make footies. You know, the ones at the bottom on the back. Anyway, we're gonna have to put some footies on or something, some thicker socks, because I was a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie, but. Y'all tell me what y'all think about look number 2 on several ways to wear it. And let's get into this next look. All right, guys. So this next look. This next look is simply, it's going to hang out with the girls. It can definitely be with your boo, but to me, it's just going out to hang out with the girls real quick. You got that call, you got that text, group chat. Hey, we finna meet for drinks. Come on. So you throw on the main event. You're going to throw on the main event, honey. And then you're going to take it with this graphic tee. And then you're going to do a little something like this. You're going to put it with this that graphic tee, baby. Go ahead and tuck it up under that bra, give you that little crop action. You know, because of the way the overalls fit, even if you got a little extra love, it kind of manipulates and hides that, on which I love. Because your girl swells up after she get through eating. So I love that you got that little extra and you can still feel cute and sexy with your little overalls on. The shoes, the top is from Crazy Boss, the t-shirt. The shoes are from, where's the shoes? The shoes are from Fashion Nova, and the bag. That bag is from off of Harwin. Harwin, here in Houston, Harwin has this little plaza mall called, I think it's 9900 Harwin. Y'all, if you haven't been, go check it out. It to me, don't make like a field day of it. It's just literally like 2 stores that I go in there, but this store have all the cute little bags, and that's where I found that bag from. But yes, guys, that is our several ways to wear one article of clothing. And if you made it this far in the video, you know how much I love you and I appreciate you. All I ask is you go ahead and hit that hug emoji. Hit the thumbs up and let YouTube know that you like this video as well. And if y'all want to see more episodes on several ways to wear it, please put that down in the comments as well. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.